my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a very easy DIY that I hope that you like it. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And let's get started. Okay guys, so for today's project, I'm going to make a sign using this wooden puzzle that you can find at the Dollar Tree toy section. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to give it one coat of paint using my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color. You must paint both sides of the wood piece to make it look nice and then let it dry. And now I want to create a frame for this piece. So for that, I'm going to be using 4 sticks and I'm going to put them on the sides of this wooden puzzle to be able to measure and mark how much I need to cut them. I'm going to cut these sticks with an angle of 45 degrees and I'm going to do that with my saw machine. I'm going to adjust my machine and cut the 2 sides of each stick with the 45 degrees, as I said, to be able to make my frame. Before gluing all the sticks together to make the frame, I'm going to give it some color using my Waverly waxing antique color and then let them dry very well. From there, I will form the frame and I'm going to add hot glue on the edges of the sticks just to be able to stick the wooden puzzle. Of course that I have to reinforce the frame, so for that I use popsicle sticks and I cut them and I stick them with hot glue on each of the union of the sticks, and then I paint them with the same wax in antique color to make sure that everything looks in the same way and the same color and nice. Once everything is glued together, I want these to look like a chalkboard. So to make it look more real, I'm going to be using chalk and I'm going to put that chalk in my hands, and then I went across the board to give it that effect that I want. Once you have that part done, I have these 2 sticks left over, so I decide to use them. And first I paint them with the same waxing antique color, and I'm going to be using these sticks to stick them on the back side of the chalkboard to make it look like a stand sign, and I stick them with hot glue. Now you can write or draw whatever you want on this chalkboard, and I decided to make a decal with my Cricut in white vinyl, or maybe you can use orange vinyl, and it's going to look amazing to write the word pumpkin and then just stick it on the sign. At the top, I'm going to put this hello wooden sign from Dollar Tree, and at first I painted in white color, but I didn't like it, so I decided to paint it with a light orange color. And to make that color, I mix some chalk paint in mineral color and orange or pumpkin color to have the exact color that I want. Once it's paint and dry, I'm going to glue my hello sign on the top of the word pumpkin with hot glue. As a final detail, you can put fall leaves and a pumpkin on 2 of the edges of the chalkboard. And these leaves are from Dollar Tree, and I love them because they are like a burlap fabric fall leaves. I don't know, and they look so beautiful and give some texture to our project. Guys, once you're finished, this will be the result of our sign, and it has a very good size, and it is perfect to use it during different seasons. You just have to change the decal that says pumpkin and the leaves that are sticking the sides of the sign, and that will be all, guys. I hope that you like and enjoy and have fun in today's project, and that helps you and inspires you to be creative. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, and see you on my next video. Bye, guys.